Ask yourself, what has our impact been? Because the natural world and ours are intrinsically linked. Our home is their home, and damage done to them is damage done to all, especially in a sector where our very existence is mutually beneficial. To protect our planet, our people, our climate, and natural wonders, destruction of Earth's rich biodiversity must be halted. And when something is so crucial to our being, why do enough when we can do more? Green shoots can be nurtured into jungles. Protected wildlife can grow into herds, shoals, prides, hives, and beyond. So it's not just about stopping the tide, but turning it too. Reclaiming lost biodiversity and reclaiming our narrative, from aggressors to stewards to restorers and more. We can experience the world in a way that is good for the world. We can accelerate decarbonization by solving the biodiversity crisis, protecting and preserving while recovering and supporting, through our individual and organizational behavior, through nature-positive actions. So, ask yourself, what can my impact be?